Whoa. Wait, hold on, 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 hold on. What is You know how they do that, like walking up this. All right, today what we're uh, oh, that failed miserably. Today what we're doing is we're actually going to start building my course live. So my second course. So the first course was on building AI agents. Even if you don't use Clay, you're going to learn a ton. There's one Godfather's length worth of content. So me, Martin Scorsese, James Cameron, we're all just hanging out. We're making 3 hours worth of content. Uh, this course is going to be a little bit different. So what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how I'm working with AI to build the structure of this course. So you're going to kind of see a little bit about how I talk with AI, how I'm thinking about it, and you're going to get a preview as to what's to come in this next course. And really, I like to think with AI. So come join me. And this is going to be an opportunity to watch and see how I'm thinking about these problems, which will not only give you a good understanding about what I'm building next, but also it will help you influence what I build. So let's dive in. Of course, my model is Claude, always Claude. And I'm using Super Whisper here to record myself. I am building a course for go-to-market professionals, agencies, folks that are in sales and marketing, mostly in B2B SaaS. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to inhabit the mind of someone that is really amazing at positioning, that is really understands how to position a company, because I believe that if a company is well positioned, that they know who they're going after, they will have some understanding about why they're going after them, and strategy too, specifically go-to-market strategy. So what I want you to do is talk to me at a high level about the important principles of things like niching down into an audience and having opinion about your value prop. So give me kind of the consensus here on the top thought leaders about how you should think from a first principles standpoint about go-to-market. What I always like to do when I do this sort of work is to build up the context here. And I'm not directly asking Claude to help me yet. I just want it to start thinking about the things that I care about, who they're not for. Great. Yeah, this is great. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, this is great. Now, I am building a course, and specifically the things that I want to help determine are the paths in which people should take based on where the company is at. So some of the companies that this might serve are people that are pre-product market fit. And product market fit is a strange concept. Basically, I'm looking at people that have customers that are in a wide variety, that either have no customers or customers that are in a wide variety of industries. That's kind of one path. And then there's another path of uh, larger companies that have more than 50 or so customers. They have case studies, they have some opinions about who they're for, but they haven't really gone deep here. And this also might encompass companies that sell a lot of products and have a bunch of different value props across those products. So what I want you to do is help me think through the different strategies that each of these groups might deploy to be able to find that niche market. So I do have an opinion here, but I'm trying not to oversaturate Claude with my opinion here. I want Claude to help me think through what I need to do to get really great at this. Yep, this is great. This is also great. This is great. This is exactly what I was going to suggest. Uh, Okay, the other thing that I think is probably pretty valuable here is if they have existing customers, to go identify that with an AI agent and to build an AI agent to go figure out from customer review sites like G2, TrustRadius, Capterra, go look at their case studies specifically and really go deep to understand that. So if they have existing customers, I think that's the approach that I would like to take. If they don't have customers, um, I really like this sort of first principles approach of how do they test at a segment, what sort of messaging, and I'm going to need a framework for helping people with that. And basically, my friend Evan Dunn has come up with a beautiful way to describe this, that basically there's a difference between testing and running experiments. Testing is just randomly throwing stuff at the wall, where running experiments is more about having a structured opinion that's rank ordered about what you want to run and how you want to run it. Now, the purpose of this course, it has only two values, which is how do you figure out who to target and what to say to them? So, given these sort of two sub audiences, can you help me think through uh, what I should focus on for this course for each of the two audiences within those two key values of who should I target and what should I say? So again, what I'm trying to do is to generate more ideas so that I can cull those ideas down and structure that thought process. Yes, this is great. Market size, that's great. Effort to reach, cost to acquire, this is amazing. Message testing, this is great. Current solutions, unique angles, this is fantastic. Structure plan, great. So this is the type of stuff that my next course is going to do here. And it's really going to help you. Oh, foundations, great. Path selection, this is really important. Pre-product market established, this is great. Implementation. Uh, this I'm probably going to talk a little bit less about some of these things, but and we're going to talk about messaging frameworks. But this is the type of stuff my next course will go after, and you're going to see me not only build the course with AI. I'm going to try to do that live too, so that this will be a little bit what should I call this, bonus content that I'll put at the end of the course. Like this video will be a part of that bonus content. But not only are you going to see the actual output of the course, but you're going to see me create it with you. If you haven't already, my 299 course, I've had nothing but rave reviews. I've sold 100 plus units in October, and people are just telling their friends about it. So if you'd like more of me talking with AI like this, specifically to figure out how to find leads, how to research companies, the course link I'll put below. And if you're looking for the next course, tell me what you'd like to learn, and I'll make sure to include it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a beautiful election day. Oh, I actually do want to say something about that, which is I don't really talk about politics, but I saw someone post on LinkedIn that says all of my rich friends and successful friends, they don't think about politics. If you'll notice here, I've got my, let's see, I voted sticker. And I think that if we are to think about the success of like why all the greatest AI companies are in the United States, it's because we have a political system that is designed to foster innovation. And I think that we need to participate in our democracy. And it doesn't really matter what side of the aisle you are on. I think that it's really important not to let the ideologues, the folks that have extreme views that believe that half of the country is, deplorables, or there's been on both sides, there's been a variety of language used, but I just don't think that's what makes us better. I really believe in the phrase that's on all of our money, "E pluribus unum," from many come one. And I think that the way to do that is to participate in the democracy so that those that have extreme beliefs don't end up tanking the structure that we have built for so long to foster so much wonderful innovation. And so I think the onus is on us as reasonable, rational people to contribute to our political system so that it represents us and so that uh, the next generation of people have even more opportunity than the last generation. And we can't do that if we opt out. So thanks so much for watching. Have a beautiful election day. Go out and vote. Vote your conscience. Vote what you want to see in the next version of the country. And don't abdicate your responsibility to investing in this place that has given you so much. The roads, uh, the spirit of innovation, and the American dream. I am a very happy citizen. Have a great day. Bye.